Creating a Chipper USD account is as easy as ABC, and that's what I'll be showing you how to do in this video. If you could remember in my previous video, even in the latest short I just did, I talked about, or I gave you an update concerning the Chipper USD account, whereby the fee that is needed for it to be created as a creation fee is now reduced from $10 to 5,000 naira. And I gave you an update, and I've put up lots of video concerning Chipper Cash to a point that people started asking me if they are promotional videos. Actually, they are not promotional videos. I've been using Chipper, and I see the need of sharing it to people like you to start using them. But come to think of it, I think the owners of Chipper should consider doing something yes about it, because I put up lots of video concerning them. Now, leaving that aside, I shall be showing how to actually create the Chipper USD account, which I will be doing it practically using my own account. And many people might be asking, what's the essence of creating the Chipper USD account? But come to think of it, if you're still a freelancer whereby you earn or you do some jobs, or maybe you're an let me say particularly an Amazon affiliate whereby you earn commission from abroad, I think there are reasons for you to have a USD account, because that is where basically you receive most of your payments. Like there are various platforms that give you access to having a USD account, such as Grayscale, Payoneer, and the rest, which I've talked about in this video. But having the Chipper USD account is also important because, for instance, once you receive your funds, maybe from even from friends and family that resides in the UK, US, you can easily convert your USD that you receive from them to Naira and withdraw directly to your Naira account. As simple as that. And the good part is that their rates are quite mouth-watering, which is far better than what the bank will be giving you out there. So there are so many reasons for you to have a Chipper account, a Chipper Cash account, and I've just listed them. If you've missed lots of my video that I've created about Chipper, telling you what you should know about Chipper, it's simply because you're not yet part of this channel. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button, also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up any related video. This is actually how to channel, a technology related channel whereby I show you lots of things, how to carry out functions all by yourself. But if you missed the Chipper video, in the description of this video I'll be placing an invite link, a Chipper invite link actually, which is my referral link, which if you should pass through that link and join or create a Chipper account, you should be receiving a referral bonus. And also the previous video that I talked about Chipper, I will also place links to them in the description of this video. But hey, don't go there yet, because in this video I'm actually trying to show you how to create a Chipper USD account. That's why you are here. So doing that, we shall be jumping into my mobile view, whereby I'll be showing you or carrying the steps practically for you to see. In fact, I'll be creating an account for myself, and you should just follow the steps that I did. And this time you create a Chipper USD account and you start making use of them. So like I said, don't go yet to the description of this video, whereby I'll be placing those links. Wait, what this video is to learn how to create the Chipper account before you now go to the link I'll be dropping below, and you get started. So now let's move down to my mobile screen. So now let's head there. So we are now on my mobile view. Let's create now a Chipper USD account. Before we proceed, just to confirm, once you go to the profile, as you can see right here, this is my name and all information related to me. This is my account profile. Now let's go back to the home screen. So once you get to the home screen, actually you see the flyer that normally appear, just like the banner said, open, gets paid in USD globally. So that's what is trending at the moment once you are onto Chipper Cash. So now, if you could remember, in one of my previous short video, I told you the requirements that are needed in opening a Chipper USD account, which first of all, you have to have 5,000 naira in your Naira account. And as you can see from above, I have 5,000 naira. I just sent the payment. Now I transferred the money actually from my bank account to my Chipper USD account just to carry out this video. So once you've done that, now let me show you the steps in creating a Chipper USD account. So you go to the top, the place actually shows the country flag. You click on it, and right here you see this pop-up, and from the pop-up you see your Naira account, which is 5,000 naira, the USD account, which is actually dormant at the moment, then a create new account. So what you have to do is to tap on the create new account portion, and it gets to here. At the moment, the available currencies whereby you can actually create my foreign account is USD, so that is what we'll choose at the moment. So we'll tap on USD account. Now coming down to this place, you see the various requirements which I've talked about in my previous videos, so there's no need going back to them. But the one that I'm pointing out at the moment is creation fee, which is 5,000 naira, which says 5,000 naira fee to create a USD account, just like we have known. The deposit fee, the fee they actually charge you once you receive payment, I've talked about in my previous video, but let me just give a recap. So it simply says that once you receive a payment of $100 and below, you'll be charged $1 fee, but once it is above $100, you'll be charged a 1% fee for maybe free payments you received from maybe from your freelancing site, or maybe somebody sent to your Chipper USD account. So now I have all requirements set. Now all I have to do is to tap this purple button, which is just below. It says create USD account for 5,000 naira. So I'll tap on it. It will now take me to here. You say you're all set to create. Why? Because I've done all the necessary verification. I verified my identity, my address, my phone number, and my email address. Just as you can see, all is tick green and correct. But in case you've not done that, you have to do that. So now let's see the terms and conditions is there, but I don't really have time. I'm reading it. Say, by creating a Chipper USD account, I agree. I just have to agree for the purpose of this video. By creating a Chipper USD account, I agree to the I don't want to bother myself reading it. So yes, I agree. I've tapped on the two. I've checked the two box. So now all I have to do is to create USD account fee for 5,000 naira. And finally, your USD account will be created, which you can use to actually receive dollar payments. So I've just finished creating a Chipper USD account. And remember, I'm not just creating this account for fancy. Particularly, I'll be using it on my PayPal. I'll test it on PayPal first, and also test it on withdrawing some money from Payoneer. And like you already know, I'll be bringing those updates. I'll be showing you how to do that. I'll be carrying out the steps physically for you to see right here in this channel. So that's the main reason why you should hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification, so whenever I put up that video, you see the steps and you see them practically all by yourself, and you see that actually it's working. Yes, and also I'll be trying it out on Amazon. All I have to do is to swap originally my Amazon account, I linked my Payoneer. I actually included my Payoneer USD account, but I will have to swap it to that of Chipper and see if it will work. So if you want to get all this update, like I said, simply be part of this channel by hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification. And also note that all videos are not related to Chipper. Like I told you, it's a how-to channel whereby I show you how to do certain things. You can actually go to the playlist of this channel and you see lots of videos that I put up teaching you various ways of carrying out various functions all related to technology all by yourself. So with that, we've come to the end of this video, and Chibuzo remains my name, and Bloginfotech is the name of this channel. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.